Here's a simple guide how to using Teespring.com for a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. For example, no cost, no hassle, no risk. And we can scroll down and here you can discover creators and their products, and we can click on this link, and here you can check other design, other different clothes, and you can see this and just inspiration. But let me show you how to create your account and how to create your own store. And for this you can just click on Start Creating button in the center, or just instead your cursor at the top right corner and click on Start Creating or Login. If you already have account in Teespring, you can click on Login, but if you don't have, you exactly click on Start Creating, and here choose your name or brand name, email, password and sign up, or just using connected with Facebook, Google or YouTube. But I already have account. Alright, and once we have, we can see all the products that you can choose and that you can change design, for example mug, hoodie, etc. But now instead you cursor at the left side and you can see left sidebar. You can here click on home button, click here upgrades. Here you can see new updates of this site. Okay, click on integration, and here you can click on social media that you want to integrate in Teespring. For example, if you have YouTube social media, you can click on YouTube, and here you have step-by-step instruction. For example, visit YouTube Studio, click on Yarn, shopping, etc. And after this you can, and if you scroll down, you can see analytics. Here is all of your sales, all of your profit, and certainly you can click on profit or views. Okay, that's easy. And listing, here I can see listings, for example my hoodie, units sold, profit, and click on order a sample. Of course, click on trash button. Let's click on stores. And now you can see main page of editing your website. For example, you can change the name or just click on URL link. And of course you can click on edit store, view store and update name store. Okay, and if you want to change the domain, you can, in the domain section, you can connect a custom domain to your store. For example, if you want to make shorten URL, and as you can see my URL is very long and it's not good, but I can click on connect existing domain from other website or purchase new domain from here. And the last one on this page, you can click on social profiles, and here you can add account profiles. For example, click on add, and here select profile. For example, I have YouTube. Here you can paste my link, and that will be added. Okay, close this and click on edit store. Okay, that's it, but before we click on edit store, I want to show you payouts section, and here you can change your payouts. For example, click on settings and adjust your account, your card, your PayPal, etc. But let's return to store page, and here we can click on edit store, and as you can see we can change desktop view or mobile view here. Okay, return to desktop, and now at the left sidebar you can change navigation bar, hero banner, products and future. For example, in the navigation bar you can choose here your image icon, background color, for example red, and menu items, for example white. And of course you turn to the hero banner, it's here, and here background image, for example for your product. And if we click on footer, we can write here about text, and return to layout, and here click on products. And of course add products, because we doesn't have yet products now. Create products, and now we can choose products that we want to change, for example hoodie. And as you can see here, simple edit menu. In the design your product section you can add a new image or just typing text. For example, let's click on add image and choose one example, this. Alright, click on add text and drag here, change text, for example SS, drag to the center. And of course you can, and in the choose product colors, you can change your colors, hoodie or t-shirts that you want, but I don't need this. In the set your pricing section, you can enter your desired type price for funds from US and Europe. For example, US and Europe. Okay, now we can change this number, for example $100, and we can earn $71.18 profit per sales, but it's very high for this design. Okay, but we can write lowest price, for example $20, it's very low price, it'll be red color and no profit. But we can $13, and with this price we can earn $1.18 profit per sale. Okay, let's change it on 13, for example, and click on advanced. In the advanced section you can choose how you showcase this design on your store, for example front or back. And as you can see on back, we don't have any image, any text. Let's change it. Click on this front icon at the top right left corner and change it on back. Now we can add here new image, new text, for example text, change it back, make it more bigger. Of course, now we can click on preview and design, and as you can see, text will appear on your hoodie, on your back here. Okay, let's change it on front and click on continue button, and here you can see all of your products in this list. On the next step, when you're on the styles, you can add it to more products with a single click. Just click on black hoodie, for example, plus icon, and black on race bag. Okay, and then you can click on edit button, for example edit your black hoodie. For example, I have a black text, I wanna change the color. I click on text and click on this color change, for example red, and after this click on continue button. Also you can change the price of hoodie, and also you can click on trash, for example trash hoodie, tap on continue button, and then you can create new listing or just add it to existing listing. I don't have existing listing, that's why I create new. Okay, in the title section you can write name of your design, for example this is, and in the description section you can tell the story behind of your design. And in the next one, it's advanced. Here you can change the URL of your listing, make it public or private or unlisted. Okay, click on start listing, and okay, congratulations. You can click on share URL, and if you scroll down, you can make a promo code, for example as this. And here you can choose the type of your promo code, for example percentage or dollar. Here choose count, and of course expiration, 1 month, 2 weeks, 1 week, for example 1. Click on activate button, and as you can see my hoodie is ready. And here I can choose similar products, for example this one. Here I can choose size of my clothes and click on add to cart and buy these things. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist, how to create your own website with different ways. See you next time.